त्वं नाम विवेचनम्। पूजनीयं च सर्वं च
everything that is adorable
त्वमैव अभिधीयतम्
is addressed as you and only you. This is a clear-cut declaration of the process of creation of duality by our own inner self. That is the reflection of the universal self. We can understand that here we are addressing everything adorable as you, thereby telling ourselves that we are not adorable and that we are always inferior to the adorable powers. This small, simple verse tells us about many shades of the human psychology. Every human being is always seeking an opportunity to blame others for his own mistakes. To have the ability to do so, one creates or finds out something that is much more powerful than oneself. Then, when it is time to take responsibility, a person pleads incapable and shifts the burden. In fact, if we analyze the human mentalities very closely, we will find that the very process of creating an external deity and worshipping it is the result of the tendency of shifting the burden. No one wants to own the responsibility of his wrongs and wants something to put the burdens of his own wrongs. This self-created powerful deity is of immense help in such matters. Of course, this does not mean that the universal power does not exist. It does exist, but it is never in any such deities created by humans. It is very much within one's own consciousness. That itself is a reflection of the ultimate self that is all powerful. But accepting this will mean accepting the onus, the responsibility of all the mistakes one commits. And no one agrees with this statement because no one wants to accept such a responsibility. It is always convenient to declare that the power is outside us and then keep praising it in keeping with the inherent desire of incapable people to be praised in order to receive self-gratification out of such praises. This is the reason why imaginary deities created by such irresponsible, incapable people are said to like the praises and bless those who praise them. If we analyze all the prayers of God from all the languages, from all the religions, we can very, very clearly understand what I am saying is true. Because every time we are praising the God and requesting Him to help us, that means the God within is there, but we are not aware of it. We are not wanting to look at it, and we want an outside God to come and help us. And that is what we are told right from the time we start understanding that God is there. You have to believe in God and you have to worship God, and that God is something outside us. Just think over it and you will very clearly understand the psychology of every human being. when it is said, Pujaniyam cha sarvam cha tvamaiva abhidheyatam, we are considering, or we are calling, we are addressing every adorable thing as you, because we don't want to see it within our own self.